Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today in this tutorial again I'll be covering for loop, and with the for loop I'll be covering random list. In my previous tutorial I've just taken some names, that means the name of the week, and we printed that list with the help of for loop. Now in this tutorial I'll be taking some random names in which I'll add numbers also and some names. So directly I'll start the program. Firstly I'll print the name of the program. In starting also I have to put inverted commas. So I'll give the name of the list as list1. Now here I'll give some random names of the list. Suppose name of any students Akash, then Rakesh, then Alban. Then even I could add the numbers here, but with the numbers there is no need to put inverted commas. So now this is the list, and overall collection of the list, the overall group name or list name is list1. Now I will be using for loop to print the names or to print the list items. For now this time I am taking the variable name as n1 in list 1, and then double colon, and then directly print n1, or to make it more meaningful I could add the item name in list is equal to, so it's okay. I'll save the program, click save, and desktop students for loop with random list, and I click on save. Now let's run it. So you could see here with the help of for loop I could print any items. Here first three items are the strings, that means Akash, Rakesh, Alban, and afterwards numeric numbers, the numeric data type is also been printed. So I hope you are already familiar with the list and how to use the list with the help of for loop. So it's very easy, and I hope everything is clear. Now with this I am closing my tutorial, and if you like my explanation then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon with the next tutorial.